guys, it's your girl Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by today's title, I will be making my strip lashes look just like extensions you could get professionally done. So let's get straight into the video. So y'all, the things you'll be needing is an eyelash curler, tweezers, lash glue. And y'all, I recommend this lash glue because it comes off clear and also it's a brush on adhesive. Mascara, and most importantly, your strip lashes. So y'all, first thing I like to do is make sure that my lashes are clean, clean of dust or particles that could be still on your lashes. So once my lashes are cleaned, cleaned off and everything, I like to take my eyelash curler. So y'all, I have naturally curly lashes, so I want my lashes to be straight and for me to be able to put on my lashes easily and not let it, put my lashes on top of my lashes, if that makes sense. So I wanted my lashes to be straight and also out of my way, basically, when I'm putting on my lashes. So what I like to do is I like to take my eyelash curler and turn it upside down just like this. And this only applies if you have naturally curly lashes. If your natural lashes is already straight, then there's no point for you to do this step, so you could skip this step. So what I like to do is I like to take my eyelash curler and press it down just like that on my lashes. And I give it some pumps, so like 10 pumps or, just as much as you could do just to get it straight. Oh yeah, so my lashes is, now it's like straight down, so that's good. So next thing I like to do is I like to take my eyelash glue and apply it to my lash line. And this doesn't affect me in no ways, but if it does for you, then I recommend not to do it at all. So yeah, I take my duo lash glue and I apply it to my lash line. So now that I applied it to my lash line, y'all, I like for it to dry, but as it's drying, I take my lashes right here that I'll be using, and I'll be using these lashes right here on the third row right here. So yeah, and these are Russian D-curl lashes, so they like literally look like extensions just because of the style it is. And I'll also make sure to put these in the description down below so y'all could get the link for where I got this from, basically. So and I also forgot to add on, you'll also be needing scissors. And the reason why I have scissors is just because, like, if you have any like glue, some used glue on your lashes, I'll just take my tweezers and I'll take it from the end point, not from the inner corner of the lash strip. So I'll take it from the end right here. And I'll just hold it so it could be just like this. So yeah, y'all, so the I just put it on the outer corner of the lash strip just like this, and then I take the glue again and I just reapply it onto here like this, and just do it lightly. You don't have to put that much. And I make sure this like kind of dries, just make sure like it turns clear, or just until like it's kind of tacky. So I like to blow on it, just so it could dry faster. So y'all, now that it's kind of dry, kind of tacky, just how I want it, I take my lash strip and I start from the corner right here. From the outer corner of my eye line. I start from the outer corner of my lash line and I work my way towards the inner corner of my lash line. So what I do is I start right here. I make sure that it's close to my lashes and also my lash line. So I bring it down like this and I'll hold it for a good 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. And now that it's held right there, I take my tweezers and I grab it from the inner corner of the lash line and I drag it all the way down to the inner corner of my lash line, just like that. See? So now that it's like that, that's how the lashes look like. I take my mascara right here and what I like to do, y'all, I like to blend it so it kind of like, you know, gives it that extension look where you can't like see no gap underneath your lash line. So what I do is take the mascara and I just like apply the mascara like regularly, but like closer to my natural lashes. So I like to just blend it. Put some lashes right here. Some mascara right here. Blend it on. And then the next thing I like to do, y'all, just so I could also give it that blend, I take my eyelash curler, and this time it's facing upwards. Then I take it and I just curl it. And another thing, I like also use my my thumb and my index finger, and I like to press it down also, just so my natural lashes could blend in with the lashes. And that's how I do it. So y'all, now I'm gonna repeat the same steps that I did on this side to this side.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe.
So y'all, that is the end of the tutorial. As y'all can see, it looks so much like lash extensions. Looks very nice. And y'all, I've gotten so many compliments from my friends, them thinking that it's actually extensions when it's actually strip lashes. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your post notification for any new video that I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.